Hey folks, great morning, let's go! So I want to do a very special video here this morning. I want to show you guys what I do, all you superstars out there that are listening and watching this video here. I want to show you what I do to prepare my mornings. Some of you ask me, Wesley, what does Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin do every morning, okay? The first thing I do, I give all praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. Then as you can see here, I'm getting ready and I am putting good stuff in my body. So, see, hitters, this is my self-development audio. I like to listen to that in the morning as well. I've been doing this for a very long time, even when I was broke, okay? So what I have here is my deep green detox drink. Guys, if you want to write this down, please write this down, okay? Take pictures of the products that I use. I've been using these products for a very long time. They attribute to my success and my body and my health, which fuels me and helps me become more wealthier, a better person, okay? So we have the deep green detox here. This is nothing but a vegetable type drink here. I have my super blends here, organic, I'm not going to say that word, fruits, you know what I mean? Got that here as well. And I have my vegan protein here, okay? See that? So clean and so lean, or okay, let me take a scoop of that, guys. How are you doing this morning? Good morning. Guys, if you're on YouTube right now, hey, how are you? I love you. Appreciate you. Guys, get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Who's up this morning already? Stop dragging, man. Get up. Get up. All right, so here we go. This is for collagen here. Keep these bones feeling amazing here. And instead of pre-workouts, I use what is called Beat Elite here, okay? A lot of athletes use this as well. How can I open this up? Hold on. Let me put it down for a second. All right, guys, here we go. Take that here. Put one scoop in here, okay? I just want to show you guys what I do every morning here, okay? If I have any, because people ask me questions about, you know, my diet, what I eat, and, you know, some of the things I put in my body. So let me show you here. And here, this is my whole longevity clinic. And this costs $300, okay? And these are multivitamins, but I met a doctor, a longevity doctor when I was in Florida here, and he's a doctor for a lot of celebrities, and he gave me this. I've been taking this stuff for probably the past 3 months, and let me tell you, you know, not only do I feel well, I look better, I'm able to think better. I mean, wow, some amazing things. It's not a commercial, folks, okay? I know that sounds like an advertisement, right? But so here we go. I already took this for today, so I'm going to put that to a side, okay? Oh, my brain octane here, okay? See that? You can get this on Amazon. All the stuff you can get on Amazon, folks, okay? Hold on. Here we go. The magic of believing. You hear that?
Next, a book that's out of print, but you can find it. It's called The Go-Getter.
So every morning, I make sure that I'm listening to something that's going to put me in an empowered state. Let's go! Every morning, I make sure that I listen to something that's going to put my mind consciously in a state of success all the time, all right? I've been doing this for a very long time, even when I had no money, like a lot of you that's listening to me right now, okay? So if you're doing that, keep doing that. It's all going to make sense as you keep doing that. So all you need is like a cake blender here. I bought this on Amazon, I believe. I think my maid bought it for me. I'm not sure. See? That's it. And I'll plug it up here. It's hard doing this with one hand. So guys, if you want to take pictures of this, I just want to share it with you. I want to share what I am drinking. I am a multi-millionaire. I say that very gracefully. I'm excited about that. I'm grateful about that. But I want to show you what I do as a person. Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin is a very successful person. What I put in my body every morning. I don't eat food in the morning, okay? I don't eat any food. I'm not saying that you shouldn't, but I don't. I don't start my morning with any food because I want my body to eliminate all the toxins that were in my body from yesterday, right? So I don't eat till after 1 o'clock. But what I do, I take this. Take a picture, folks. Take a picture of that. Got it? Got it? Grab this. Beat Elite. Grab that on Amazon.com. Grab that. Marine collagen, okay? For those nail joints and bones and hair and skin. That's why my skin looks so perky all the time, all right? Brain octane, here we go, for your brain. And this is just Super Blend's organic Amazonian foods, all right? It's just a mixture of, let me look on the back here. Or just a lot of superfoods that were freeze-dried to give you vitality and energize your body. I just read that, folks. I'm not even kidding. I just read that. So this is what I do. So much love. Go get it. Go win. And always remember this last thing of the day. Hold on. Let me show you something here. Make sure. Now, I did this when I was really, really broke. I'm telling you. When I was just trying to make money, trying to be successful, and trying to become financially free, I had a whiteboard in my house, okay? And I always had my goal. So every morning when I would wake up, I would see my goal. Right now, my team's goal is to do $3 million in net sales every single month, okay? We're getting close. We're getting close. That's $100,000 a day. $100,000. So what I'm saying to you is this. Make sure you put your goal in front of your face. You know, you got to know what you're going for. See, this gives you something to wake up to. Like, okay, that's my goal. Bam, that's what I'm going to hit. This is why I'm getting up earlier, right? This is why I'm avoiding negative people. This is why I'm working harder than other people. This is the reason why I'm taking risks, because of that number. I don't know what your number is, but make sure you have a number. That's mine. $3 million net sales per month, okay? That's not a lot of money, is it? Right? I remember when I hit $1 million a month, I was happy. I'm telling you. I remember when I made $100,000. I remember when I made $50,000. And let me share something with you. The difference between 100,000 and $1 million, yeah, it's amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's go. You're like, oh my God. I mean, I got to go buy everything. Okay, so any questions for me? Hey guys, what's going on? Eddie and Horace, wanted to give you guys a shout out here. Milo, I appreciate you. I love you. Remember, you can always look in the description below to get more information about what I do and how I can help you be more successful and make more money, right? That's what it's all about. You know I focus a lot about money. The only reason why I talk so much about money, because money is very important, okay? Everybody, some people don't like money, as in they don't like talking about it a lot, but we have to talk about it because we needed to take care of our families. We needed to be able to survive. We needed to be able to function on the planet, period, all right? Unless you want to be a monk, then go be a monk. You want to be a broke yogi, then go do that, okay? But I think the first thing every man and woman, especially men, you got to go get this money thing. So you can always go to Wesley. I want to do something special for you. Go to wesleyvirgin.com here. That's my name. Yep, my last name is Virgin. So what? Deal with it. wesleyvirgin.com. I have over 200 free hours of information here that shows you step by step how I make my millions, okay? 200 free hours of information here on wesleyvirgin.com. Many of you have already been there. Many of you are going to that website right now. Go there. Grab the information. I'm making it available to, I don't care if you're 15, 14, 18, 25, 44, 50. It doesn't matter your age, okay? As long as you have a willingness to win, go here, listen to the videos, take what? Action, right? Which is important. This is probably the most ingredient of success, most important ingredient, imperative ingredient, is just to take action. Once you take action by going to wesleyvirgin.com, then one day you'll be able to set goals like this one day, right? $3 million per month. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Much love. Let's go.